Question number 1. She. Very happy yesterday. A. Was. B. Were. C. Did. Question number 2. You complete your homework? A. Did. B. Were. C. Was. Question number 3. They. At the party last night. A. Was. B. Were. C. Do. Question number 4. He. Not like playing football. A. Were. B. Was. C. Did. Question number 5. We. Go to the store tomorrow. A. Will. B. Shall. C. Do. Question number 6. You need any help? A. Are. B. Was. C. Do. Question number 7. She. A teacher before she retired. A. Were. B. Was. C. Did. Question number 8. Where? You go last summer? A. Is. B. Was. C. Did. Question number 9. The children. Playing in the park yesterday? A. Was. B. Are. C. Were. Question number 10. I. Talk to you about the project. A. Am. B. Do. C. Will. Question number 11. He. Not know the answer to the question. A. Did. B. Was. C. Were. Question number 12. We. Go for a picnic this weekend. A. Was. B. Are. C. Shall. Question number 13. Where? You last night? A. Are. B. Were. C. Was. Question number 14. You remember her name? A. Are. B. Were. C. Did. Question number 15. It. A beautiful day yesterday. A. Were. B. Is. C. Was. Question number 16. She. An important phone call this morning. A. Received. B. Found. C. Heard.